Two Broadway, New York, built in 1957, designed by Emery Roth and Sons. And here is the cherished Produce Exchange Building, designed by George Post and completed in 1884. And it was a venerable Italian Renaissance-style building with a huge skylight capping the elegant trading floor, which was 3 stories in height. The exterior was sheathed in orange-toned brick and terracotta, the first building in the world to combine wrought iron and masonry in its construction. Host in its early years to well-heeled New Year's Eve gala events. There was no New York City Board of Landmarks yet in 1957 when this building was, oh no, oh yes, destroyed and replaced by the present Two Broadway. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching Randolph's Rants.